Hi and welcome to my channel. Please today we're going to answer the BECE questions 2022. So this is the question. Question 1. Given that P is equal to factors of 36 and Q is equal to factors of 54, list the members of P and Q. Find P intersecting Q, number of P intersecting Q in the highest common factor of 54 and 36. So now let's find the factors of 36. So we find factors of 36. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and then 36. And then factors of 54. We have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54 itself. So now let's now answer the questions. I've listed the members I and then II. We have A, P intersecting Q. So let's list the members that can be found in P at the same time Q. We can see that we have 1 there, we have 2 there, we have 3 there, we have 6, we have 9, and then we have 18. So we are done with that. Now let's go to the B of it. And they're saying that N into bracket P intersecting Q. Now this means the number of P intersecting Q. So we need the number. So how many numbers are they? Sorry, I'm supposed to do this one. How many numbers? We just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are 6. So we just write 6 numbers. So therefore, P N of P intersecting Q is 6. That's all. So let's go to the Y. Now we have the highest common factor, HCF, of this one. Now the highest common factor, which means that the number which can be found among them, which is common and at the same time the highest. We can see that is what? 18. So we'll put in our bracket, put there 18. Therefore, the HCF is 18. So you can see that we are done with the question 1A. Now let's go to the B. Now the B says that write down the next 2 terms of the sequence. Now when we see 1, and we see 4, and we see 9, what comes to our mind? This one is a tricky question, but you have to manage it. You have to be able to find a way to do that. Now we can see that the trend is that when you square one, what are you going to get? You are going to get one. When we square two, we are going to get what? 4. When we square 3, we are going to get 9. And you can see the trend that goes this way. So like, how do you find the next terms? The next two terms. So we just continue with that. We have 4 squared, which is what? 16. And we have 5 squared, which is 25. So you say the trend goes to, but they say that you have to find the next one. So therefore, the next two terms are 16 and 25. We are done with that. So now let's go to the C. What does the C say? Now they are saying that the median of the other set of observation 2, 3, 4m minus 3, 3m plus 1, 11, and 13 in order of ascending order is 6. Find the value of m. Now, what do we think about when we hear median, the middle number? So you have to count the number, find the total, count the numbers first, and find the middle number. So you can see here. So let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers. And when there are 6 numbers, you know it's an even number. So you know that there will be 2 numbers there. Now let's search for the 2 numbers. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So that means that the middle numbers will start from here. These are the main numbers: 4m minus 3 and 3m plus 1. And some people will use this formula. If it's an even number, they will take 6 divided by 2, which is the what? Third and fourth position. So therefore, we'll come and count the third and fourth position because it's an even number. We'll divide it by 2 and then count the number. So from here, you can count and remove the numbers. So now we see that the middle numbers are 4m minus 3 and 3m plus 1. Now we're not yet done. Now because there are 2 numbers, we have to add them and divide by 2 because there are 2 numbers. And in the question, they said that find the median order of the observation, this, that, and that, in ascending order is 6. So that means that the median, when you get all these numbers, your median should be equal to 6. So that is why we would equate it to 6. So here we equate this one to 6. Now here you have to cross multiply. So 4m minus 3 plus 3m plus 1 is equals to 12 because this one will cross multiply. This one plus this 7m minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 is equals to 12. So 7m, your 2 will cross, so it becomes plus 2. So 7m is equals to 14. Divide here by 7, divide here by 7. Your m is equals to what? 4. Hey, sorry. Your m is equals to 2. So therefore, m is equals to 2. They say you should find m. So your m is equals to what? 2. So if you want, you can test your answer. So by putting 2 into your equation, and let's see if we will get 6. So like Let's test our answer and see whether if our answer is correct. So now 4m minus 3 plus 3m plus 1 all divided by 2 should be equals to what? 6. So let's see what we are going to do. So let's put m is equals to 2 and c. So 4 2 minus 3 plus 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 all divided by 2. Let's see if we can get 6. 4 times 2, we are going to get 8 minus 3 plus 6. 3 times 2, we get 6 plus 1 all divided by 2. So this 8 minus 3, we are going to get 5 plus 6 minus this 7 all divided by 2. So 7 plus 5, we are going to get 12. 12 divided by 2, we are going to get 6. So that means that our answer is correct. Thank you very much. If you really like this video, please subscribe for more. Thank you.